Hey everyone, how are you doing? Today I'm going to be talking about my makeshift dance flooring. So I did an update early in the pandemic about my flooring and how I plan to do it, and I did a really quick one. I should have done this a long time ago. It's just that when the pandemic started, everything just kind of was so fast, and I was teaching about 7-8 classes a day. I mean, I still do. So this is the only time I was able to buy flooring. I didn't give jumps to my kids, but now that it's getting late in the pandemic, my kids are starting to suffer stamina loss and a lot of other things. I needed to think of something really quick and easy that they can buy in the hardware store. So okay, I'm pretty sure, I mean, like, if you guys have contractors or whoever, some people I've seen have started to already adapt in the situation, make really good spaces. But for someone like me, where I can't really change the orientation of my room so much and there's not much space to move, I don't plan to keep this flooring forever. This, I feel like, is the perfect solution. So as you know, I already have Marley flooring. This is something I got from my studio. Now I'm gonna show you guys what I did so you can see the space that I used to dance down. This is a 5x8 plywood, ta-da, which I just bought in Home Depot. It's 1/2 of an inch there, and under that I put this foam. It's called the Eurotex foam. I don't know if you're in another country, that's probably called something else, but let me lower this so you can see how the mechanism works. And we've explained this in the previous video also, but this is really good to just absorb the shock, and it's nice for point work too. I mean, my kids have tried it on point work. Let me just show this better, but if you can see now, when we jump, see, it's not like when we jump on the hardwood floor. This is my hardwood floor, so it's really hard on my heels. But when I jump onto this type of floor, yeah, so it doesn't give, of course, it doesn't give like the studio feel of like that extra bounce, but it does absorb shock, and that's what really I'm after when I'm jumping, just to help me, especially when you do point work. So it's really nice for point work. I've tried it. It's so much better than dancing on this hardwood floor that I have. I don't know how you guys are doing in this pandemic. I'm pretty sure some have started to shift their floorings, but if you do get the chance, this is really another quick DIY option. My only worry, of course, with this type of flooring is that since it doesn't cover the whole floor space, you might end up falling through on the sides. But for things like really small jumps, or let's say you're going to be doing some turns, this is just enough space for that. I mean, it's really wide, you won't hit anything. But yeah, I just really wanted to do like a really fast, sorry. So I really just wanted to do like a really quick flooring update for you guys, so you have an idea of how my flooring has been and gone through. There really is a need for the foam. In the start, actually, I didn't have the foam on. There are people asking why I need the foam. It's just to absorb extra shock. But when I was dancing just on the plywood, it wasn't so bad either on point work. I think my point was that when I started to do point work on this hard floor, my heels, like, even if I tried to control, they'd eventually kind of, our houses are really not made for jumping. I mean, like, the floors in our houses are really not made for jumping, especially with small space. Like, it's so hard. Yeah, but it's really frustrating, and we make do with what we have. I hope that you guys have shifted into these types of flooring. If you're curious and you're from the Philippines, you can buy the wood in Home Depot, and the Eurotex foam. Eurotex is a brand. You just have to go to the big branch of Eurotex. I'm pretty sure if you look it up, there are so many of them. You can call and ask for a specific size, and they'll give you a specific size. And of course, you can get your Marley flooring. I know they sell them already at the Dance Store, Philippines, and other places. So you can have this type of just simple flooring in your houses, just for your regular ballet classes in small spaces. I am able to jump on this floor. So let's say I'll show you a few more, but Sissons work really well too in these floors. I mean, I've had no problem, and you can hear that the floor, yeah, does have that sound. That means it's not as hard as this other one. Yeah, so this is how it feels now, and I feel so much better jumping on this type of floor rather than jumping on this hard floor. Anyway, I hope that that gives you an idea again of what we should do or what you can try for your makeshift flooring. If you want to get a tip or tips on your flooring, I did put up a video early in the pandemic, which you can check out here. And yeah, let me know what else you'd love to hear on this vlog or on this channel. Thank you for watching.